B. Rosa Bolivarona.
Hello! Hello everyone! Ari naman ako ni Wat nagabalik sa Gateway Hotel. Pero subok hindi na seminar ang aking kundi grabe! Nagdagat official kami yung partner ni Dapat. So kung bakit kita kayo mabalaan ka na mga official candidates sa atin na Miss Iloilo 2020.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is our honor and pride and with so much excitement that we present to you our official candidates to Miss Iloilo 2020. Beginning with candidate number 1.
I am Syra Haguna, 18. We are Ilonggo. We are from them. Let's not forget our roots.
Grabe, ang tangkat nila! Ay, ano? Kahiya ako! Grabe! We have here si Syra, kag si Desiree. Si Syra, taga diin?
I'm from Leganes.
Taga Leganes? Si Desiree?
I'm from Ibaras.
Ako, halin sa Mandurrial!
Bullying ruin lives. As an advocate of anti-bullying, I know the pain, the trauma, the struggle of feeling powerless. Wherever you are, wherever you've been, if you are knowledgeable, you will excel and become successful. And it's something that every Ilonggo should have. Excellence, nothing less.
We have Tari and Rabia. Ano mga half ka mo? Or 100% Ilonggo? Ano ba?
Half Nigerian.
Half Nigerian. Si
I'm half Indian, half Ilonggo.
wow! Ako half funny, half sentimental. Wow!
Mary Desiree de Fantarendoque, 80. Once when I was a child, I dream big because someone believes in me.
Okay, di ba? Si Desiree kasi Sharamin ay Ruby Lee! Ano nga unique sa inyong mga pangalan nga? Sa inyong mga pangalan?
Well, my name is Sharami. My mother's name is Army and my father's name is Sharmi. So that is why my name is Sharmi.
Oh, mixture
It's a
ka!
combination.
So my name is Mary Desiree, and my name is actually came from the Bible. Of course, Mary and Desire.
Wow! Kabalo ka mo, di na galing akong pangalan sa isa ka singer. Pero problema, hindi ko kabalo magkanta.
Oh, the shine of a thousand spotlights. Oh, the stars we steal from the night sky will never be
Enough!
never be
Enough!
Our country is working to be more inclusive, which means that we shouldn't leave anyone behind.
Over the years, I was inspired by my grandmother who took good care of me because my mom is away from me.
Haha! Si Blessy kag si Kisha. Anong inyong nga height?
5'7".
5'7", ikaw?
5'6" and a half.
5'6" and up? Ako yung magkakano ka?
Kailangan
Yay! Sala! Secret na lang na, Abi!
Giving importance to our health is very close to my heart.
Karen Lori Mendoza, 24, from Concepcion.
It is my pride of place and identity to advocate for our cultural heritage preservation.
We have Dara and Karen and Ruby! Alright, balaan ko gusto nyo gini. Ano nga po na mga beauty secret para maging beauty eh, syempre, no?
for me, water and sleep.
Water and sleep, tandaan. Yes.
Well, same as for me, water and of course exercise.
Water and exercise. How about you?
That's taking care of yourself mentally, physically. Make sure that you're mentally good inside so that it will radiate outside.
Oh, di ba? English yun! Ako niya nga beauty secret, walang love life para walang pimple. Ah, di ba? Thank you very much!
These lucky candidates have undergone a rigid screening where their skills, abilities, and intelligence were tested. It was a challenging yet fulfilling task because we are confident that these ladies will proudly represent our beloved country in the international stage and bring honor to the great city of Iloilo.
Alangan, tingnan naman kung ano kadugay siya magwa. Hey, let's welcome along the tube and yeah!
Gawain niya ulit niya ng YouTube, guys.
Oo, amo nang tsura ya. Memorizean yun ang tsura nga na. Hello everyone! Siyempre, hindi ko pwede kagwa diri sa venue nga wala ko ka-interview sa isa ka mga bigatin nga fashion and pageant director diri sa Philippines. Let's all welcome Sir Raymond Villanueva! Ayun! Sir Raymond, I believe not only nga para sa mga candidates in pageants but also as individuals, it is very important to have proper and good posture.
Ay, importante talaga yan.
Ano po yung sikreto? Kasi kanina, nagpa-pageant ako dyan sa hallway.
Para kami sa Iloilo rin.
Ay, thank you! Pagtingin ko sa video ko, parang gumaganon ako. Kailangan natin.
Actually, ang importante sa isang posture ng isang tao is proportion ang katawan. Hindi alam ng mga tao yun. Kasi kala nila matangkad ka, or if you're a little short, o medyo mataba ka, or bayan ka. Hindi, ang importante yung proportion. Kung proportion ang katawan mo, makikita mo yan actually sa pera. So, your projection should always be based dito. Kasi yung cut natin, di ba? Parang gano'n. So, tatangkad ka dito. So, ang ginagamit natin, lagi, dito sa tiyan natin at sa hips natin. Yun ang totoong posture.
Yun ba yung pag nagdamit ka ng mahaba o yung
Yes.
high waist?
Yes, may high waist,
alam
may end.
ako.
Diba nalalaman ko yun yan? So lahat kayo dyan, ang importante lagi sa ginagawa nyo sa posture is to make sure that the level between your stomach and your hips, yun yan. So bawal ang medyo may tiyan, bawal ang medyo malaki yung hips dito. So pag na-proportion ka na, yun ang posture. At lagi, sinasabi ng mga magulang natin, laging power yung shoulders natin, lagi nakatakas. O, huwag nakaslouch. Kasi, pag nag-slouch ka, that means there's really something wrong sa core muscles. That's why tayo, nagsisit down sa push-ups tayo.
So, tingin ko, bukas magsisimula na ako ng sit-ups at
Correct! Yan ang gawin natin sa umaga, sa gabi, at every time kakain tayo.
Ayun. Sir, pero last na lang, could you rate me? Akyat ako.
Sige, alit ka na. May bago na tayong candidate dito.
Number 12, naghahanap pa kanina ng pumesta.
Yeah.
Why is it nga 11 lang sila?
11 lang sila.
Because there's only 11 candidates that were qualified.
Pag ginawa mo yung ganito, yan ang pinaproportion ang katawan. Dito ang hati. That's why, pag nilagay mo dito, pag nilagay mo dito, tatak ka.
Pati ito tatak.
Sobrang tangkad na yan. Yan ang pinakamatangkad. So ito na nga, ang next candidate natin. Candidate number 12. Andyan.
Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
Thanks, Ruby.
Ayaw kayo nakahapit ka mo sa akong nga channel. Kung bago pa lang ka mo dili, pindot ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimti. Ruby Inspire!